tourism will be the biggest driver of our economic growth and prosperity, not just for now, but indeed for years to come.
To drive tourism's bountiful economic resilience, the Ministry of Tourism will strengthen social benefits for sector workers, increase accommodations, and secure more air traffic into the island.
The government of Jamaica has moved in that direction. Housing for tourism workers.
The Ministry of Tourism, the National Housing Trust, and private stakeholders will collaborate to develop 2,500 houses for tourism workers in the next 5 years. New investors are also providing housing solutions, in addition to their hotel construction. Some of the investments include 1,000 worker houses by Hard Rock Hotel, 650 by Palladium, and 500 by Princess Resorts. The ministry will also model the government's social housing program to build homes for needed tourism workers. The Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, JHTA, will match the $100 million seed fund from the Tourism Enhancement Fund to initiate the project. 20 houses will be provided per year.
The workers won't have to pay for it. They are in a position of need. We know the need, we recognize the difficulty, and from their own companies, they will be selected.
The expansion on human capital development will continue, with more workers expected to contribute to the Tourism Workers Pension Scheme. Innovation and skills training is central to Jamaica's sustainable tourism development. The Tourism Innovation Incubator is set to spur fresh business ideas for the sector. The first cohort of 27 youth entrepreneurs will have access to a $100 million grant funding initiative to support their startups.
This investment portfolio that tourism is unfolding now is the largest and most impressive in the history of tourism in Jamaica.
That's 20,000 new hotel rooms to be constructed over the next 5 to 10 years. The developments will run island-wide and include 2,500 rooms at Bahia Principe St. Anne, 1,000 rooms at Harmony Cove in Trelawney, 2,000 rooms at Unico, Hard Rock Hotel, Casino and other resort developments in St. James, and 2,000 rooms at Princess Resort in Hanover.
Now that the runway has been expanded, and we hope to have that ready by summer.
New airline markets are being targeted in 2023, including the Arabian travel market. More flights are also expected from existing airline partners to boost visitor arrivals. Popular resort town Negril will benefit from major upgrades under the Spruce Up program. Other upgrades in the government's comprehensive development plan include an international airport, a public beach park and craft village. The Royal Palm Reserve will also be restored as a joint project with the United Nations Environment Program UNEP. Additionally, under the Spruce Up Jamaica program, $4 million will be allocated to each constituency for community development projects. Other major upgrades include the restoration of 3 public beaches by 2024.
I think we have a duty to ensure that persons entering this space follow the rules and are respectful of the importance of law and order.
The ministry is formulating stronger protocols for public order within tourism spaces through the development of Jamaica's Destination Assurance Policy. Cultivating more financial solutions for small and medium enterprises in the tourism space and strengthening tourism linkages for farmers, the ministry commits to ensuring all Jamaicans get a fair share of the tourism pie. The government is committing billions of dollars to ensuring Jamaica's tourism engine is strong as it builds Jamaica's destination assurance.
We will continue to push forward with the key priority projects and initiatives to shape tourism governance infrastructure to boost the sustainable development of the sector.